a big N in the air. Ready? Let's go! Ollie walks through nature, green and wide. Tall trees dancing side to side. Nice breeze blowing, soft and sweet. Crunchy little leaves beneath his feet. Then he stopped. What noise is that? A tiny peep peep in the habitat. He looks nearby, and what does he see? A baby bird crying in a little tree. Oh no! Oh dear! Your nest fell down. Twigs and leaves are all around. The baby bird chirps, please help me, please. My nest blew apart in the windy breeze. N, N, N is the letter N. N says N, now sing again. N is for nature, bright and new. N is for nest, for me and you. N is for nearby, nut nectar too. N is for nightingale singing to you. Ollie says don't worry, we can help. We'll build your nest with the nature yelp. He gathers twigs from the forest floor, the soft green grass and a little bit more. A squirrel rolls a shiny nut along. Use this here, it will help be strong. Some bunny friends bring leaves in a line, and Ollie stacks them nice and fine. By the flowers buzzing in the sun, busy bees hum, we can help too fun. They sip sweet nectar then zoom around, showing Ollie the softest things they found. A bright nightingale sings from a tree. This way friends, come follow me. She leads them all to a grassy spot, with cozy pieces just what they sought. But whoosh goes the wind through the trees up high. The little nest parts start to fly. Not this time, Ollie says with care. We'll work together, we'll fix it right there. Hold the twigs, tuck the grass. Leaves go under, nice and fast. Nutshell here, soft moss there. Now the nest is snug with care. N, N, N is the letter N. N says N, now sing again. N is for nature, bright and new. N is for nest, for me and you. N is for nearby, nut nectar too. N is for nightingale singing to you. Now the baby bird snuggles in tight, safe and cozy for the night. Ollie smiles, we help today. That's the nature way.